Oxford Business Group has launched a Covid-19 response report in partnership with the Moroccan Agency for the Development of Investment and Exports. This report details how Morocco has navigated the social and economic fallout of the Covid-19 pandemic and highlights opportunities for growth and investment in a post-pandemic era. Swift actions by the Moroccan government, including early border closures, a widespread public information campaign, and enforcement of compulsory mask-wearing rules, have mitigated the spread of the virus. The country imposed a two-zone approach, which helped contain the economic fallout among rural and vulnerable populations. With the health of the population the top priority, both public and private sectors worked together to increase Covid-19 testing, achieving 20,000 daily tests and building 24 laboratories in just a few weeks. On March 15th, King Mohammed VI established the Special Fund for the Management and Response to Covid-19 to support the healthcare system as well as the country's social and economic needs. Since then, the fund has received over 33 billion dirhams in contributions from the public and private sectors, development agencies and civil society. The government also provided a number of financial lifelines to businesses and individuals coping with the economic fallout of the pandemic. While the impact of Covid-19 on Morocco's economy has been significant, the crisis has demonstrated the flexibility, self-sufficiency, technological capabilities and strengths of the industrial sector. By way of example, textile factories were able to pivot quickly to produce millions of single-use and reusable masks for both domestic use and export. Meanwhile, in the aeronautics sector, which saw decreased demand, plants were able to repurpose to manufacturing medical devices, including a locally developed advanced respirator. This adaptability has been repeated across sectors, and not only demonstrates the country's dynamism, but also positions it as an attractive location for production and service provision. This should serve Morocco well, particularly at a time when European companies are looking to re-examine supply chains, and specifically dependence on the Far East in the aftermath of the pandemic. With its strategic location close to Europe, provides the perfect opportunity for further growth of the industrial base. This Covid-19 response report demonstrates how investment promotion and facilitation agencies, including AMDIE, are capitalising on these developments to ensure a steady flow of foreign direct investment. Oxford Business Group's Morocco Covid-19 response report provides in-depth analysis of all these issues and much more, including a detailed overview of the economic impact of the crisis, private sector mobilisation efforts, and a socio-economic outlook, highlighting key priorities for a robust recovery. In addition, the report contains results from a survey of the Moroccan business community conducted by OBG in June and interviews with Moulay Hafid El Alami, Morocco's Minister of Industry, Trade and Green and Digital Economy, and Hisham Boudra, Acting Managing Director at AMDIE.